welcome back. Your dreams were your ticket out. Welcome back to that same old place that you laughed about. Well, the names have all changed since you hung around, but those dreams have remained and they've turned around. Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Back here where we need ya. Back here where we need ya. Yeah, the tease him a lot, 'cause we got him on the spot. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. All right, give it a stretch. Oh, okay, good. Oh, yeah. Okay, cool. So, filament watch. So I have 57 minutes left. And the thing is, though, it didn't reach because I think it needs to be like 55 degrees Celsius, right, for it to have the drying. So I don't know if it's 55 degrees Celsius for 2 hours or it just needs to reach 55 degrees during those 2 hours. I'm not sure. So I might have to extend the time a little bit more or maybe do another round because, again, the folks that created it says like 8 hours. So I'm thinking, and then at like 65 or something like that, which is super high. Yeah, like 60. And that's what it said on the box. And it said like plus or minus 5. So 55 should be fine. And it said like 8 hours. I'm thinking what I might do is another 2 hours, maybe, since it didn't reach 55 from the jump, because maybe I should have waited. I don't know. I thought it would start when it reached, because I set the type in there, and then I hit the little rotate button, and it started going. So I don't know. We'll see. It's fine. We'll figure it out. Again, I'm only printing like small things with it. So if it doesn't come out right, then I can always stop it. It's just like little tools, so it doesn't need to be perfect or anything. So it's a learning experience. So that's going. And I noticed that it has 360 on there, right? So like I was thinking it would be, the spools would be spinning like this continuously, right? It doesn't look like it. It looks like it goes, well, I mean, I guess it is 360. Like it goes one way. I think I haven't watched it all the way. And then it goes back the other way. It kind of just goes back and forth like that. So I'm not sure. I mean, hey, they made it. They must have tested it, so it must be like the best thing, right? So it's not continuously going in the circle. It's kind of like alternating back and forth, clockwise and counterclockwise. So we'll see. We'll see. Again, learning experience. My first time doing this. All right. But what I'm not first time experiencing is CSS. And so what I want to talk about is this. It's like people who do like these unwrapped things, you know what I'm saying? Like I think like Spotify does one. I got one for like Google, YouTube Music, stuff like that. So kind of like a year in review kind of thing. I guess wrapped is the new thing. And so I want to take a look at from chrome.dev, which I'll post a link to it in the chat, not the chat, in the radio show. I'm going to add a link, so it'll be next to the recording of this video, so you can check it out for yourself. It's a pretty cool website. So I figured it talks about all like the newer things that happen in CSS, which is amazing. Some of the stuff I didn't even know about, and have like examples. I'm like, makes me think about stuff. Like it's inspiring. So we'll see. So I'm thinking, because I have some websites I want to make, and I might incorporate some of this new stuff into it. All right. So again, here is the CSS Wrap 2024 from chrome.dev. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and scroll through this. Chrome.dev uses cookies apparently. So sure. All right. There's a video. Okay, what's cool is like when you scroll, you see how like everything kind of like goes into it. That's pretty dope. That's kind of cool. Before we watch the video, let me check out the rest of this thing here. So Chrome and CSS, where does this go to? Oh, nothing. It's just, okay, that's cool. In 2024, journeyed through the forests, over the mountains, and across the seas. All right. Oh, I'm sorry, I got distracted by the animations. All right, let's check out this video. Let's see what's in the video. wonder if they made that whole video with CSS. That'd be interesting because I know you can do like if you like record like send it to like a iframe or something, kind of not an iframe, but a canvas or something, and kind of like record the whole thing. I don't know. That'd be cool if they did. All right. Okay. So we saw this. So 2024 has been another amazing year for CSS. All right. This is the font too. Yeah, and this is font. Interesting. That's cool. Cross-document view transitions. So a lot of the stuff we kind of spoken about already throughout the year, but like the cross-document view transition, that's pretty dope. And the scroll-driven animations let you add more interactivity to your applications with a few lines of CSS. And we spoke about all that stuff before. You can now animate height auto. That's pretty dope. Style scroll bar. So if you ever like the little thing on the side, if you want to style that, you can do that. And size text inputs to their contents. So you saw how like when they're typing in like the input box, it would grow. That's pretty dope. And then also with the like the button, like when you like hovered over it, it opened up. See that stuff is pretty dope. And so I'm looking forward to messing with that stuff there. So many features have become baseline newly available this year with exclusive accordions, and that's pretty dope too. Where you can just put like I think it's name on all the different like details, and you would only one could only be open at a time. All you have to do is just put the name. That is amazing. At property, popover, and starting style. I've not really gotten a chance to mess with these. For popover, a lot of times I use dialogue, so I've never really got to use that yet. But yeah, that stuff there's pretty dope. All interoperable across major browsers. Thanks to the hard work by browser engineers, shouts to browser engineers, specification writers, shouts to specification writers, and the input of the community, shouts to the community. CSS has taken another great leap forward this year. All right. See, this is pretty cool. Like this, like not only does a little dinosaur like go across the screen, he jumps a lot though. I think it was smoother on my phone. But like when you go back, it goes the opposite direct, like he faces the opposite direction. That's pretty dope. All right. So join the Chrome DevRel team and a skateboarding Chrome Dino on a journey through the latest CSS launched for Chrome and the web platform in 2024, highlighting 17 new features. That's pretty dope. All right. Whoa, this jumps. Wow, that's pretty cool. Ooh. Oh, so the thing is, I think it's because I'm sharing the screen. I have this tab thing at the top, so it's kind of taking up real estate. So I can't really see below it. So yeah, so there's 5 components there. And this is the interactions, and this is the DX features. All right, that's pretty dope. Oh, and it stays with. It's like it's revealing it. Because it's not like pushing up this out of the way, like it's just going in its own container. Oh, that's pretty dope. That's pretty cool. Okay. All right. Oh, and a little dinosaur skateboards along too. That's pretty dope. And it changes the directions. Oh, see, I didn't see all this in the on my phone when I first saw it. That's pretty dope. Okay. I'm pretty sure that's probably similar to what was skating across the screen horizontally before. That's pretty dope. Okay, my bad. Sorry, distracted. Cool. So then we got the components. Ooh, and this. So this is another of the scroll animations. So you see it when you scroll. That's pretty dope. I'm pretty sure dinosaur is also a scroll animation. Or because it like follows where the. That's pretty cool. All right, components. We traveled over the mountains to bring exciting overlay UX and with Anchor, the power to animate to auto height, easily turn details into an accordion. Again, that is so cool. Get more access to detail styling. All right. And intrinsically sized form elements. And that's the thing again with the thing that opens up like to show like text next to the button or whatever. If it's just like an icon. That's pretty dope. So field sizing. So this is limited availability. So right now it's only Chrome and Edge. They have a video. Okay. Oh wait, let me play the video. So if it's fixed, okay, so it gets bigger. All right. Okay. That's interesting. Okay. What does fixed mean? Not sure what that means. But okay, that's dope. All right, so then yeah, here we go. So without it, so blah 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 blah. See, it just goes on to the next thing, right? This doesn't shrink to fit. So if you say like hi, see it all stay the same. Now this might be good depending on like how your forms are set up, because sometimes if you click it here and then you want to change, you gotta like go back over here, and so all depends. And if you have something next to it, that's going to shift also probably. So as with anything, it depends. And so yeah, so see, this doesn't fit the shrink, high, short, medium. Okay. I don't grow. Yeah. I'm just looking for email. Does it give me an error? It doesn't give me an error. And then numbers. All right. So now with it though, see, it kind of keeps going. But then see, it shifts like the whole page, which is kind of, but I'm sure you could put like a width on this, maybe like a max width. And so it'll go to that and then go to the next page. And then like this shrinks to fit. So it all kind of depends on what you're looking for. And then this thing, cool. This looks like it stays the same to me though. I don't know. I grow too. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Email input. And here's the numbers. So if you go up to like, whoa, okay. 1 trillion. And then here's, and the file chosen. See, I haven't checked that out. Okay, that's cool. So this will work for any font size, and any language, and any writing mode. What used to be high effort would now be low effort. Nice. All right, cool. Now this is pretty cool. Animate to high auto. Again, that's limited. So yeah, so you see like here's the button joints. Like it just opens up. That is pretty cool. Like if you're hovering over it. So you can like, hey, what's this button do? Oh, it's a reply. Oh, reply all. Oh, forward. That's super dope. That's super dope. And again, you can check out all the other stuff. And then yeah, so wait, to make that happen, so the whole page is just interpolate allow keywords. That's all you need to do. Really. That's pretty dope. Okay, never mind. Sorry, again. So here, this is what I've used before. This is pretty dope. And I use it because it was baseline. And so pretty much, and they have all the styling stuff too. That's pretty cute. Sorry, distracted. All right, so then yeah, so you see how this one's open, right? Let's say I want only the box model. That one's open. So you can only have like one open at a time. And all you do is just put like a name attribute on all of them. So as long as they're all the same, that's pretty dope. And then I'm wondering, because yeah, so if you had something like if these were interspersed throughout the page, right? And then you could have it to where on one thing you see it, and then they go to the next thing, and then that would close that other piece. So you could probably do a lot of pretty cool stuff with it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Stylable details, so kind of like what they were doing here with this stuff. Oh, I see, it's limited. Okay. So the detail content. So wait, what? So this is pretty cool. Like that's very nice. Saving space. That's pretty dope. And all using CSS. Like, so there's no JavaScript in that. That's pretty dope. Like all the transitions and the animation stuff. That's pretty. So they have this to check to see if the thing is there. Yeah, this includes type embed. Cool. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look more into this, but that's pretty cool. So if you ever wanted that effect, you can do that. Pretty dope. All right. Yeah. And I think these are just details. So these are basically like this, just styled differently. Yeah, details. So they just did display flex, and they put it so instead of like it being like in a column, now it's in a row, and they do some CSS. And that's pretty dope. So yeah, so you can kind of see here a similar thing. That's cool. Okay, all right. Anchor position. This one's pretty cool too. So, but it's limited availability. So you can like place these things. Wait, hold on. What? Okay. Then they have this thing here, so you can kind of say where you want it to be positioned, like your little pop-up joint or whatever. That's pretty cool. Yeah. All right. Dope. Uh, Interactions through the forest. We found features for styling the scroll bar using multi-page view transitions, that is super dope, by the way. And to make it work, it is like 2 lines of CSS. That is so dope. Creating scroll animations, which I'm still trying to learn more about that, and events for scroll snap. It's pretty dope. So yeah, so the scroll bar color, it's the limited availability. So it might be cool to start to like look at it, but it's still not really. That's pretty cool. You can just change the color like right from there. That's pretty dope. All right. So yeah, so I mean, at least checking out the uh demos and looking at stuff. So yeah, so the cross documentation. So it's almost there. It's waiting for Firefox. You know what I'm saying? So this is pretty cool. So this is that multi-page you were talking about before. We looked at this a lot because it's so cool. But yeah, see, it's just basically this. That's that. But you can do more to like for custom animations. But so yeah, check out this video. It's a really good video. Scroll driven animation. Still trying to learn more about that stuff there, so you can kind of see. What's cool is if you don't have it, like if your browser doesn't support it, it just shows the image. So it's not like you're breaking the experience. You know what I'm saying? So pretty dope. And that's cool. They have like resources and stuff you can check out more. Scroll snap events. I don't think I've seen this one before. So built-in snap events have made previously invisible moments during scrolling. What the hell does that mean? I don't know. Visible at the right time and always correct. Okay. There's a weirdly phrased sentence for me. They are the missing piece of the puzzle that makes scroll snapping a complete solution. So let's see. They have an example here. Take a look at this. All right. So they're using to hold it. All right. Okay. So it's when they click it, it shows it. Okay. Okay. Interesting. That's cool. So it's no scroll snaps changing. Oh, so it does it automatically. Oh, that's dope. That's pretty cool. So when it's like in focus or in the center, it pops up so you don't have to like click it. That's pretty cool. Oh, so this is an example. Like if you have I guess what? Oh, so it'd be cool if I could drag this and it shows there. That'd be pretty dope. But yeah, that's cool. Very cool. Uh, Developer, this is that's not good. So yeah, we discovered ways to simplify backdrop inheritance. Oh, that's cool. A magic color function, really, called light dark. Oh, okay, called light dark. I thought it was an actual like I don't know why I was thinking about magic color function, but I thought it was like a function or something. But light dark, that's pretty dope. Safer and smarter variables with app property. Again, I still need to play with that. Starting style for transitions. I've not played with that too much. Ways to pop into the top layer. Improved Ruby alignment. Not sure what that means. So backdrop inheritance. So you can show dialogue. Oh, that's cool. Oh yeah, the backdrop. Okay, that's very nice. Cool. Light dark. Spoke about that before. Property joint. I think we spoke about that before. Pop over API. We spoke about that before, but it's like limited availability. Again, that's why I pretty much just use the dialogue because it fits my needs. But yeah, so it's pretty dope. And you can just like click anywhere. Cool. Entry effects with starting style. Okay, limited. I think we looked at this before too. Yeah. Pretty cool. Here the dialogues. It kind of whoa. It made the whole page move. What? Whoa. Okay, that's unexpected. Line breakable Ruby. And see it. So okay, this thing I've seen Ruby before, but I never really knew what it was. So is it like Ruby code or something? Ruby annotations are line breakable, and you can style Ruby text with the Ruby aligned CSS property. Oh no, you know what it is? I think it's for certain yeah, that's what it was. So like languages like how to pronounce that symbol. A lot of times they'll put it on top of the word. So like in Japanese, I see they do that a lot, which I guess makes sense because it comes from Chinese. But okay, yeah. So yeah, so you can see think yeah, it helps with the like how to say it. Yeah, that's pretty dope. Oh, that's cool. Okay, pretty dope. All right, dope. And then paint order. See, this is pretty cool. I like that's pretty dope here. So you can do like this for paint order fill stroke. Then if you do stroke fill, so fill stroke, stroke fill. So in the order in which it goes. So it does the fill and does the stroke, or you can do the stroke and then the fill. And that's pretty dope. I like that. I'm going to use that on something. That is pretty dope. Is this available? Oh, it's limited availability. Okay. Ooh, what's markers? Don't know what that is. I'll look into that. Oh yeah. So you can see that's super dope. Like that is so cool. I always like this effect. You know what I'm saying? Like in my like when I was doing logos and stuff, I would always like if I could do something like that. Now I can do it in the browser. That's so cool. That is so cool. CSOM nested declarations. Okay. You got the nested joints. All right. I like that. And then shout out to these folks here. That's pretty dope. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's very cool. All right. So yeah, I spent a lot more time on that than I thought I was. But did you see anything that you liked? Like it seems pretty cool. Like especially that last part with the paint order. That is dope. I am going to use that on like so many projects. That's pretty dope. Even though it's limited availability right now, but still, that should be. I mean, it shows that it's like in all of them. Yes, but it has the check marks on all of them, but it's probably like behind a flag maybe or something. But it's coming soon, so I'm going to go and mess with that some more. All right, let me get y'all back to work. Again, thanks for hanging out. It says it's like 35 minutes left on this, so I may try to print something. I don't know. We'll see. I might give it like another 30 minutes just to, now that it's at the actual temperature. I might, I think I could just increase like my time, like do like 30 more minutes, or just reset it, wait 30 minutes, and then stop it maybe, or maybe do the whole another 2 hours. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'll figure it out when we get back. All right, so let me get y'all back to work again. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you. When we come back, we'll take a look at an artist's website. Maybe watch some videos, maybe listen to some tracks. Maybe you'll become a fan. Till then, thanks for hanging out. See you 15 minutes after the hour. Till then, I wish you much productivity. Here's a track from Anthony Cruz, aka A Butter. Track's called Thank You. Thanks for hanging out. Catch you around. Y'all be easy. Peace.
I want to say thank you for holding on. When a brother was down and out, now I feel so strong. And I want to say thank you for being there. When a brother had nowhere to turn to, you were there. And I feel like there. And everybody says there. We spread love like there. I want to say thank you for holding on. When a brother was down and out, now I feel so strong. And I want to say